Jack on a BMX. What's going on now? Jack's trying to learn 180s.
Oh! What? I've been doing it flawlessly all day.
That was decent! Oh. Can I see a bunny up?
Yeah. A real stiff bunny up.
What's the bunny up?
Watch his chest.
So, you've probably seen it behind me. There's a new car. We'll show you that in a bit. I'm kind of getting carried away with watching Jack do some bunny ups. Get off the grass!
I went to go grab his leg, but mine gave up.
Good efforts though on the 180s.
Yeah, that was actually good. That was the best one when I threw the thing.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, little step.
You like crashed him in again.
Hey, you know that German Shepherd with like no spine?
I'm actually crying. Oh. Yeah, let me get some stunts.
Can't get the tears out my eyes.
Yeah.
Should we do this car then?
Yeah, better Rod.
Yeah, so I look at it.
Start looking at it. This is a 2001 7 Series BMW E38
740i.
740i.
4.4 litre.
Yep, 4.4 litre V8. It's the short wheelbase one.
In black.
In black. Hoi! Look at that. This is a 4.4 litre V8. This is the engine that supersedes mine. So mine's an M60 B40. This is an M62 B44.
It's like a facelift engine, isn't it?
Yeah, facelift. Still exactly same power.
Really?
Yeah, 282 horsepower.
And they're the same?
Yeah, identical.
Are these better than the 4 litres?
There's better things about both.
Ah, okay.
So this is the 4.4 litre V8. It sounds cool. We have just been driving this around the car park for about 20 minutes, so it is warm.
Oh well.
Bit of water.
Bit of water,
It's
yeah.
not fuel.
It's been sat for a while. Straight off. Completely stock exhaust at the moment. That's why it's like pretty quiet. But you can hear the potential, can you?
Yeah. Some real.
You get so close to me.
Some real noise.
I can smell your breath, man. No.
We actually always have a pretty hard time doing walkarounds on stock cars. It's really, what do you talk about? Not a lot to talk about. We'll walk you through the car, inside and out, and then we'll talk about plans. How about that?
Yeah.
We also have a boot full of spares and goodies, which we haven't gone through yet. Start from...
Wheels?
Yeah.
That's the best bit, I reckon.
Style 32s.
Yeah.
Is that what they are?
Yeah.
9J 18-inch style 32s. Then on the front there's 8J. The whole thing is like filthy. It's been sat for 3 months. We actually bought this in March.
Yeah. Remember picking it up.
And we haven't known what to do with it. Still don't know what to do with it. It was a complete impulse buy. I just decided I liked E38s, messaged you boys, and then you were like, yeah, buy one. And then the next day we went to Bristol and bought one. I didn't really think about it. Tinted windows on the rear, which is cool. We've got like the black trim, so there's no chrome, which I really like. I'm a bit gutted that it came with the Style 32s, because 7s normally come with M parallels.
Oh,
I told you
he had one in stock, didn't he?
He did, he was prepped for that one.
Jeez.
We're equal now then.
Oh, I've got another one in stock now.
No, we're equal.
No, we're not.
It's been debadged, but it is definitely a 740. These just look amazing, I reckon.
Amazing. I love the fact you can't see the exhaust.
Yeah.
They're just lush, aren't they?
The exhaust is...
Like both downtones, aren't they?
There they are.
And this is straight, mind, isn't it? Straight and clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. What are the bad points?
Bad points. Looks there's a smidge of filler on one side. Bit of filler in there, I think.
Yeah, so there was some bodywork done there, and the filler's cracked. This one's got some like some funky patterns going on, so we don't want that.
It's got clean arches though, isn't it?
Clean arches. There's only one spot of rust, a little bit there. Underneath's pretty clean. The boot has got a small dent there, and it has a pretty bad oil leak.
I don't know where it's coming from.
Everywhere. That's pretty much how we bought it. It's on 155k, which is baby miles for these. These just do motorway miles. On to arguably the best part about this car.
I love it.
The interior. I don't know what these were like retail when they first came out.
Were they like 50 grand?
Gotta be at least
50 grand back in 2001, probably something like that. Someone find me the book numbers on these. 7 Series are like the luxury car, aren't they?
Fire.
Yeah, as you can tell, because we have a phone.
Jack. Hello, Miss Thompson.
Oh, that's enough
I've
of
got
that.
Jack in the bag here. I'm on camera a sec. Can't be saying dirty stuff
I
like
got
that.
pebble here. I'll
What are you wearing?
not hesitate to dash it through your skull.
Yeah, right, baby. I'll be right later. What? You dirty bitch. Yes, got one in stock.
You put like a SIM card in there, like a credit card thing.
Ah, okay.
Should we get one?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Very
So,
cool.
That's very cool. What have we got? Some buttons.
Beep, beep.
BMW car phone.
Sick. Two-tone interior. We
Yeah.
get onto that.
So this car was originally beige, wasn't it?
Yeah, like
interior.
cream, isn't it? But he's done black seats, black dash, but it might already be black dash like that.
No, I think that was cream.
And then like some black door. Man, it looks amazing.
Yeah, it actually looks unreal.
I love the two-tone.
I think he basically was doing the conversion and just trying to find bits, and I think he got halfway, but we actually really like the fact that
it's
it's
amazing.
half and half.
I love it.
Also, when we were buying it, it was a bit dodgy. The whole setup was a bit mank, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, we turned up and this was in the
And it's like,
in the seat.
I reckon it's for like, if anyone, like it's just like a deterrent, isn't it?
Yeah.
That they look in and go, fuck, he's actually got a sword, but really, it's plastic.
Oh yeah, it is an auto.
Yeah.
Did they make manuals of these? They
I
probably
think
did.
I think they did.
They were probably just rare. What else we got? This, which we didn't know was a thing. Genuine BMW air freshener. I'll put the part number in here. You can actually buy them. The handbrake.
Yeah, it's a foot pedal.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same as a GS300. If you imagine this is a wallet. In the GS, you do that. That locks out the army, and then when you skid in, you can just handbrakes. Television. That is amazing.
Find me a babe station or something.
Oh my god, can you imagine that?
Wait, do you have to have a SIM card for that then?
You might do. You have pen holders.
Pen Island.
This whole thing can slide back and forth. We got that with 2 cigarette lighters in it.
Cuppies.
Yeah, that's actually sick.
They're lush cup holders. Wouldn't want a grande, would you?
Nah.
Oh, what's that?
There's so many like gizmos. Whoa, hold up.
Cup holder.
Behave. Wow, look at that.
Whilst we're here, I've got this thing from Carly. I reckon we should scan it. See if there's any problems with it. I probably should have done this when we bought it, but I was too carried away negotiating with people. So if you don't know, Carly is like a diagnostics thing. Plugs into your OBD2 port, and then you connect it via Bluetooth to your phone, and then you can like check for codes. You can do some like customization stuff, which is really cool. So we're gonna do a health check, just see if there's any codes that come up. This takes a little bit of time because you've got a bunch of ECUs to check. You like Carly, don't you?
I love Carly. Use it all the time.
You actually do use it all the time.
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
He loves it.
Absolutely loves Carly.
Shut up. I think this is the first car I've ever had this with.
Whoa. 0 issues found.
No issues found. That is unreal.
Made that short.
Yeah, well, that's the Carly ad over, because this car's too good. We'll go plug it in the Passat real quick. Yeah, that's all it is. Little Carly device. And then it plugs in OBD2. All right, here we go. We're in the Passat. We're connected. We'll do a health check, because I haven't done that for ages.
Oh god.
9 issues found. Driver's door. That would explain why my driver's door doesn't open. Radio, central electronics. Well, you can see there's a bunch of issues. You can get the code off it. You can Google that, tell it to a mechanic, whatever. But I'm going to clear the issues. You can clear the codes and then see if they come back a few days later. Just having this, what
Saves hours.
nuts, isn't it?
Just do it, Google it, it's this, order the part, put it on, fixed.
They've got other stuff as well. You can do live data, use car check, you can do coding. This does sound like we're pushing an ad real hard, but we actually do use Carly all the time.
Yeah, we actually do.
If you want to get 15% off this, I can get you 15% off. All you got to do is click the link in the description, get that, and then basically just keep your Carly, whack it in the car. You're safe all the time. Thanks to Carly for sponsoring the video. I still can't believe the 7 Series has no issues. That's made my day. Twist it left.
There we go.
There we go.
There's brand new bits.
What is that?
What is that?
What is that?
Mud flaps,
We got mud flaps.
M-sport wheel.
I think this is the old wheel, he said, because this one's all tatty. So we got the black armrest for the phone. One in there now is beige. So I might swap that out actually. What's this? Oh my god, BMW pump. Brand new.
Some very tasteless headlights.
Some coolant.
That's the compressor for, I think you've got air on the rear.
Have I?
Oh no, he's converted it.
A lot of expensive cars come with like self-leveling airbags on the rear, don't they?
SLS, yeah.
But apparently, what did you say? He's taken it off?
Yeah, I think he's put springs on the back. Why would you
Alright,
need
so we've got some more black trim.
No way.
What?
OEM trim clips.
Nice.
That's actually a good find.
That is a good find.
Another door card.
Another tasteless headlight that Jack would say.
Another door card.
More door cards.
Well, it's got 4 doors, isn't it? Man.
All black door card. How full is the first aid kit, Jack?
Did it have the light
Spanking.
Did it have the light in the glove?
Full toolkit. Those punches are very handy. I robbed one from my dad's 7 Series when I was younger, and I still use it today. I forgot to say that. My dad used to have one of these. 740 or a 735, I can't remember. But he had a V8 7 Series, E38, back when I was a nipper, when I was young. So I grew up with these. Mum had an E34 5 Series, and Dad had an E38 7 Series. That was pretty sick. Back to the question at hand though, does it have the light?
Does it have a torch?
Oh, there it is.
Game of chess.
No way. Yes.
In stock.
Does it work?
Yes, it does.
No way.
And it's black.
I'm very stoked on that. What's the service history like? Oh, it looks a bit 90s and tech, doesn't it?
Very tech.
Teletext, do you remember that?
Yeah, I do remember that, yeah.
Where's the service book? Inspection, there you go.
I've got it. This isn't a good sign. You needed a roach, obviously. Hey, here we go.
There we go. Genuine BMW. Dick love it. 9,026, 42, 55.
149.
74, 84, 93, 100. There's one there. They didn't put the mileage on 149. Actually, full service history. And 150.
What's it on that?
155.
Full service history. Fair play.
Cheeks.
Yeah, I didn't actually know that.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a tape player as well.
Whoa, it does that?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
Got the G-Lean.
Press that button.
No way.
All the bells and whistles in this
This
one.
is a serious motor.
This is a serious matter.
Well, there you go.
Should we get in it and have a cruise?
Let's go for a drive.
The only thing I don't really like about these cars, the way they look, is this. That just goes like... And it looks a bit gurney, or like underbite. So if anyone knows any good lips to put on the front of 7 Series E38s, let me know, because that looks terrible. Right, get in it, do a lap. Let's see what it looks like moving.
I do a burnout in it later.
That's too much car for Jack, isn't it?
Do you hear that little chirp?
Yeah.
I definitely wouldn't describe it as rapid.
It is rapid.
For you, maybe.
It's not slow though, is it?
Not really slow, is it now?
No, 280 brake. And Jack, can you find out the torque? What torque have we got?
400.
400 foot-pounds?
Yeah.
282 brake and 400 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
That's decent. How much does it weigh?
2 and a bit.
I reckon 1,850.
You 1,850. I'm gonna go 1,6. 1,8.
1,8?
Yeah.
Nice. What, 1,800 kilos?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what this can do then. Ready? That ain't slow, is it?
It was alright actually. What happened back of it?
I know, I'm fine. We haven't actually checked if it goes into into sport mode yet. Manual sport. Says it's in sport. We're in manual 1. Manual 2, 3, 4. That works though. Oh, I am starting to really like this car. Can you MOT check this?
Yeah.
Has it got MOT?
Oh my god. It's got a full MOT.
22nd of Feb.
I remember him saying I've just put it through.
It's got 248 days left. This is a good buy.
It's slow.
It is pretty slow.
I reckon it's just so quiet in here.
Yeah, I think that could be half of it.
It's so quiet you don't realise.
What's the 0 to 60 on it? The other thing is I bet on the motorway, like 70 mile an hour and you booted it there and I reckon it'd go well.
Yeah.
7.2 seconds.
7.2 seconds. That's not bad.
Not terrible at all.
1,800 kilo car.
Driver, get my door, please.
Right, we're just gonna get some snacks because we're hungry. If fuel was cheaper than 190.9 for petrol, I'd 100% daily this.
Be fucking sick.
Right, back to the unit. It's so quiet in here.
lush. Look, traps.
Oh yeah, wheel straight.
Actually sick.
Lovely. This is genuinely the best looking BMW. Timeless. It will always look good.
There you go.
That's about it. That's about as much as we can say about a stock car. Comment down below what you reckon we should do with it, because we are still undecided.
Very undecided.
We don't know. We don't know whether to like fix it up, clean it, keep it stock, and sell it. We don't know whether to like put it on coilovers and then parallels and an exhaust. I don't know. I'm starting to really like it, but I just don't know what to do with it. So drop us a comment down below what we should do. I did have like this series idea where we buy cars for cheap, fix them up, sell them, make profit, and then try and get better and better cars. So I do want a Skyline and an Aston Martin. So I kind of want to start that series, so this car could be the first one of that. So let me know if you want to see that. All right, we'll see you in the next video of this when Jack's gonna get his hands stuck in, and we'll probably give it a very good clean.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you very much for watching. Hope you like the car. Drop a comment down below, and I will see you next week. I'm very stoked on this car. It's cool. 90s BMs are just sick, aren't they?
Yeah.
All day long. Cool. All right, see you next week. Goodbye.